In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your restricted password mode on TikTok. So what you want to do is open up your TikTok app and go to Profile. Once you're on the profile, click on the top right to open the hamburger menu and then click on Settings and Privacy. From there, you want to go to Content Display, the fourth option that says Content Preferences, and then click on Restrict Mode. From there, you want to click on Change Password. You need to enter your current one, click on Next, and then you set a new one, and then of course you confirm it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you.